In the heart of the American Revolution, amidst the trials and tribulations of a young nation, there emerged a tale of resilience that echoed through the ages. It was the winter of 1777, and the Continental Army, led by General George Washington, faced its darkest hour at Valley Forge. The bitter cold gnawed at the soldiers' spirits, and hunger clung to their bones like a relentless shadow. Tattered uniforms and worn-out boots were the badges of honor worn by those who had pledged their lives to the cause of liberty. Despite the hardships, a spark of hope burned within their hearts, fueled by a shared dream of a free and independent nation. Amidst the frost-covered landscape, a humble farmer named Samuel Brooks found himself caught up in the maelstrom of history. Samuel, though untrained in the ways of war, felt the call to join the fight for freedom. Leaving behind his plow and his family, he marched alongside the ragtag army, determined to contribute in whatever way he could. Valley Forge became the crucible that tested not only the mettle of the soldiers but also the resolve of ordinary citizens like Samuel. In those bleak winter months, a makeshift alliance between the military and the civilian population formed, forging a bond that would prove essential for the survival of the fledgling nation. Samuel, with calloused hands and a heart aflame with patriotism, became a beacon of inspiration. He rallied his fellow farmers to donate what little provisions they could spare. The community came together, sharing meager supplies to sustain the soldiers through the bitter winter. Samuel's tireless efforts to uplift the spirits of those around him spread like wildfire, lighting a flame of unity that defied the icy winds of adversity. As spring blossomed, so did the resilience of the Continental Army. The trials of Valley Forge had forged not just an army but a nation steeled in determination. The stories of hardship and sacrifice became the bedrock of American identity, a testament to the indomitable spirit that courses through the veins of every citizen. The echoes of Valley Forge lingered in the collective memory of the nation, a reminder that even in the darkest hours, the American people could find strength in unity. Samuel Brooks returned to his farm, but his legacy endured. The spirit of Valley Forge lived on, a flame that would illuminate the path to a brighter, freer future.